So welcome back. Let's get right into the technical analysis. I will try to not make this video too long. So starting off, we are at tradingview.com. As I said, looking at Tezos against USDT on Binance, using some EMAs, different periods, some trend lines and key lines, and also some Fibonacci. And using all these indicators together, I will try to at least find some very interesting areas where I think you should buy the Tezos cryptocurrency, but also to kind of do some price prediction based on support levels and resistance, and just generally the fundamentals behind the price, the fundamentals behind this cryptocurrency, not behind the price, the fundamentals. So what we see in the price is that it is creating lower highs and higher lows. So price is coming together. Most of the time when price is coming together, a breakout will appear one day or another. But right now price is coming together quite slowly. And in my opinion, the lower band of this triangle is a little bit stronger. And that also is confirmed by my bullish stance on cryptocurrency. And I think cryptocurrency still have room to grow and room to rise in the next couple of months or weeks. So that's why I think the price will break out, but before that happens, will break out to the top side. But before that happens, as you can see, the price is now dropping again. It bounced off of this key level right here, 7.5. Now it is dropping. And as I said, I think that creates a lot of nice opportunities to buy. First of all, two scenarios I have drawn. Is the first one, it actually bounces off of this key level, which is indicated by the gray area, somewhere within the key level. What happens then, I think then it has a lot of room, because there is not too much resistance right here. So I think it will definitely go to this key level again and then bounce back. And then I would need to do another analysis, because I don't really know where the price could go from there. But that's basically what happens when the price bounces off of this key level right here. I wouldn't bet my money on it, because I do think it is going to break. But still, that could happen as well. And then I think it will find resistance here. So possibly a good sell-off area right here, around the 7.2 mark. What I think is more likely to happen is that the price goes down a little bit more, and that it bounces on the 0.618 and the 200 EMA. And there's also a small key level here, but I haven't drawn it because I don't think it is that significant. So I do think that it breaks through this key level right here, and then it immediately finds enough bullish momentum to at least bounce off of this, possibly to the 0.5 Fibonacci. Then finding some small bearish momentum, and I think then we have enough to actually break through this key level once again. And again, the same as this scenario, once we are through this key level, I think there's a lot of room to grow, and possibly there's even more bullish momentum than in this scenario. That's why I also drew this this arrow a little bit further, because I mean what could happen is this. So it bounces off it first, and then it might find some support, let's say right here, and then it goes through. I do not think there is a lot of resistance then, so just a small bounce of the resistance, and then goes through. So yeah, this buy area I think is very good. Again, this would be a nice sell-off area, because I'm not sure if it is going to break through this resistance, but it definitely could. So another scenario, I will point it out a little bit, is if the price goes through this key level, which could happen, because if the price gets to this green box, it has broken through this key level, which indicates bearish momentum. So what could happen is that when it breaks through the gray key level right here, it could immediately bounce through, and when it is through this key level, there's even more bearish momentum. And I think price could even bounce to this area right here, the 5.0 psychological key level together with this gray area. And if you are very hesitant in buying from this area, then I would definitely buy from this area. This would just be a great buy, again with possibilities to the 7.0 key level. And that's just a lot of percentages, so that could happen as well. I do not think it's likely, but it could happen, so you should always take all of these scenarios, you should always consider them and think which one is most likely to you. To me, most likely is that it bounces off of this 200 EMA and the 0.618. I definitely know that it's going to react to this area. If it is actually going to break through this key level entirely, I am not quite sure. But you could definitely make at least 5% of this. So if it goes from here to maybe here, I think that's already 5%. So yeah, that is a quick price analysis and a technical analysis of the price of Tezos cryptocurrency. If you have any questions about my style of analyzing, about my setups, or about the scenarios I've drawn, make sure to ask them down in the comment section, and I will make sure to respond to them as quickly as possible. As for now, I will be monitoring this cryptocurrency a lot, and possibly even post updates on my Instagram channel, so make sure to stay updated there as well. As for now, thank you for listening and watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.